Ever wondered what keeps your engine firing at just the right moment? It might be this little guy, the camshaft position sensor. Let's break it down. The camshaft position sensor monitors the camshaft's rotation and position. It sends this info to the ECU, which controls fuel injection and ignition timing. Without it, your engine would be guessing when to fire, and that's a problem. Here are the most common signs of a failing camshaft sensor. Hard starting or no start, engine misfires, rough idle, poor acceleration, and yeah, that check engine light comes on. Alright, so you can test the sensor using a multimeter or, an OBD2 scanner. Look for trouble codes like P0340 or P0341. If the signal is weak or missing, well, it's probably time to replace it. Replacing a camshaft sensor is usually a DIY job, honestly. Just locate the sensor, disconnect the harness, remove the bolt, swap it out, and don't forget to reset the ECU. If your engine feels off, don't ignore the signs, check that camshaft sensor. And hey, comment, and subscribe for more no-nonsense car fixes.